Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm TechnoTrend, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to get yourself an iPhone 6 for 50 bucks. Now this all depends on you and how good are you at finding great deals, so stay tuned for all these tips I do have for you guys. Also, this is a really secure method. Hope you guys follow all these instructions to stay safe. Also, I have a couple websites in the description that could help you out as well. I am a tutorialist and I will be making tutorials for iPhone, Android, and some random tutorials for computer and stuff like that. So if you guys would like to stick with me, hit me with that subscription box down below, click it, turn on those notifications. I need your guys' support for that. Also, if this video did work for you, be sure to leave a like, and if it didn't, leave a comment and tell me what I can improve on. This tutorial will be working with Android and iOS. The application is on both stores, as well as a Windows Play Store. I'm pretty sure it's on. It's free and does not cost money to use. Now I'll be talking about it further in the next part, so be sure to stay tuned, stay subscribed, and stay awesome guys. Here we go. Alright guys, as you guys can see on my iPhone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a really good application which is called OfferUp. Now you guys can see OfferUp is a really good, clean app. It's also, the icon color is green, so if you guys want to go ahead and download that, will be in the description. All you have to do is click the link and it'll take you straight to the App Store. As you can see, I did buy my Apple TV 4 with it. It works, everything works. I actually bought my iPhone, which I'm recording right now, for 50 bucks. The iPhone you guys see now in the reflection or somewhere, this is the iPhone I'm using. Now, I just want to tell you guys, this is a really good method. This is a really good way to buy stuff. So you guys can see, this is the iPhone that I did buy. It didn't cost that much. It only cost 50 bucks, which is a good deal. It was used, but at the same time, it wasn't iCloud locked and it was not IMEI locked. Just to show you guys proof that it does work. Also, I did get many other items, such as my computer, my screen, my old microphone, my other phone, some of my Xbox One games, a remote, and other cool stuff like that. So this is a really trustworthy app. So basically, once you're on the application, they'll give you a list of stuff you guys can buy used, and these are the people that live in your area. So I live in Los Angeles, so it does do it based on area code or based on where you live. You can also set filters as to what you want. So let's say we're gonna find, I'm not sure if there's another $50 iPhone, but we can try. So we can go for iPhone 6 or iPhone 5S. Let's try 5S, probably cheaper. Now there's a plenty of filters, so we're gonna say 20 miles, minimum 50, minimum 50. So we can try this and make sure it's on newest, set to newest, so you guys will be notified of the newest. Click reset. Oh, my bad. 50, 50. Click apply filter. Then you guys will be seeing the iPhones that are here. So you guys can see iPhone 50. It does say some of these are iCloud locked and some of the features don't work, but as you guys keep scrolling, you guys will find some iPhones that do work, like this one. It might work. You guys can see why iPhone 5S for sale. It could be for parts, or it could be a full working iPhone, which I have. So I was one of the lucky few who did get one working. Now what you guys can do is increase the price to, let's say, 100 or something like that, just to get along the lines of what iPhone you want and what budget. So as we go here, no cracks, use some bumps and scratches, nothing bad. This is a really good one as well. You guys can check it out. Also, these units do cost more than usual, so if you guys are getting them from here, it's a very good price. Now if you guys do buy an iPhone or any sort of phone from OfferUp, be sure to ask for the serial number, which is in settings, general, and about. After you check that serial number, what you're going to do is click the link in the description, copy and paste that serial number in here. It will tell you if it's locked or stolen. So be sure to do this step. If it does say it's stolen, please do not buy it, because you will not be able to connect it to any provider. So let's go back into OfferUp. Now they have some with cases, some Verizon 32 gigabytes, some of them work, some of them don't. You just have to be lucky enough to find them. Now I did get the iPhone 6s, this one from it as well. At the time I bought it for $400. It's the iPhone 6s Plus, and it's a really good offer. So that's basically it for this video, guys. This does work for other items as iPads, the Apple TV I just bought, that's why they're showing me that. Jordans, they sell cool stuff in your area. All you have to do is put your area, what you want to do. Let's say you want these Jordans, click ask, say 50. And just ask them the price or the starting price, what you want to do. Click send, and click send again. Then once you do that, you can go back to your home, and you should be notified here if they do contact you back. So these are notifications. I have met up plenty of people with this application. It's trusted, it is verified, so trust me on that, guys. If you guys do meet in public places, do not meet at your private home, because it could be sketchy. You guys never know. Just please be responsible while using this application. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Be sure to leave a fat like down. Also, be sure to check out some more of my tutorials I made for you guys. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys had a good one. Peace.